How to fix photo widgets not showing or working in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, press and hold on your screen and then click on edit. Now click on add widget. Now here you cannot find a photo apps to add a widget. If you can't find here a photo apps, then simply go back to your home screen and press and hold on photos. If you want to require Face ID on your photos, then click on do not require Face ID. After do not require Face ID, then press and hold on your screen and click on edit and then click on add widget. Now scroll down and here you can see photos app. Now here you can add your photo widget. So this is the way to add photos widget in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.